Namaste, myself Jivanshi Saxena, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, and my discipline is Medical Laboratory Technology from Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So, welcome in digital version 2.0. So, my today topic is smallpox. So, let's start my topic. Firstly, smallpox disease overview. Pox part of smallpox is derived from the Latin word for spotted and refer to the rise bumps that appear on the face of and body of an infection person. Two clinical forms. First, variola major. Major is the several and most common form of smallpox, and more extensive rash and higher fever. And four types of variola major smallpox. First, ordinary, the most frequent type, accounting for 90% or more of the cases. Second, modified. So, mild and occurring is previously a vaccinated person. Third, flat. And fourth, hemorrhages, both rare and very severe. So, variola measure has an overall fatality rate of about 30%. However, flat and hemorrhagic smallpox usually are fatal. Second, variola minor. Variola minor is a less common presentation of smallpox and a much less severe disease with death rates historically of 1% or less. So, incubation period. Incubation period duration 7 to 17 days, not contagious. And second, initially symptoms. So, prodrome duration 2 to 4 days and sometime contagious. Early rashes duration about 4 days, most contagious. And next, distribution, and next, postular rash duration about 5 days. Okay. Next, pustules and scabs duration about 5 days. Next, resolving scabs duration about 6 days, and scabs resolve not contagious. Smallpox may be contagious during the prodrome phase. Most infectious during the first 7 to 10 days following rash onset. Possible ways of getting smallpox. Prolonged face to face contact with someone who has smallpox and direct contact with infected body's fluid or object such as bedding or clothing that has the virus on it, and exposure to the aerosol release of smallpox, and the virus is put in the air. So, treatment, there is no proven treatment for smallpox. Between ways to prevent smallpox is through vaccination. So, is given before exposure to smallpox complete protection. Okay, and within 3 days after exposure will prevent or greatly lessen the severity of smallpox in most people. 4 to 7 days after exposure likely offers some protection from disease or may decrease the severity of disease. And vaccination will not protect smallpox patient who already have a rash. Eradication. One of the greatest triumphs in medicine. So, the global eradication of smallpox in 1977. The last naturally occurring case in the world was in Somalia in 1977. Smallpox eradication timeline. So, written description occurred as early as 400 AD. In science, credit goes to the man who convinces the world, not the man who whom the idea first occurred, Francis Galton. Okay. The first smallpox vaccine was developed by Edward Jenner 1796. After WWI, most of Europe is smallpox free, and after WW first, most of the of Europe is smallpox free, and after WW second, transmission erupted in Europe and North America. So 1940 centuries, the development of a freeze dried vaccine was more stable in higher temperature and humidity climates. The smallpox vaccine was available for wider use throughout the world. And 1950 century, the Pan American Sanitary Organization undertook a program to eradicate smallpox in the Western Hemisphere. 1958, the first proposal for global eradication was made to the World Health Assembly by the USSR in 1958. They proposed a worldwide vaccination program to be completed in a 3 to 5 years period. Some progress was made during the next 7 years, but the result overall they are disappointing. 1966, the World Health Assembly decided to intensify the irrigation program by providing a special budget of uh, 2.4 million per year specifically for this effort. 1967, the intensified global irrigation program began. So cases still occur in 31st centuries countries where the disease was endemic. A major river was Africa, and a second major river was Asia, extending from Bangladesh through India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. The third was the Indonesian, and fourth was Brazil, which compromised half the people of South America. So, Global Irrigation Initiative. The initial eradication campaign was based on a twofold strategy. First, mass vaccination. So, vaccination campaign in each country using vaccine of ensure potency and stability that would reach at least 80% of the population. And second, the development of surveillance system to find case and outbreaks so that more focused contaminant measure could be implemented. Vaccination. So in 1966, the smallpox eradications and measles control program was initiated in 18 West African country to move toward eradications in this disease endemic area. And effort through the use of vaccination guns, government resources, and most important traditional health authorities, and large number of people were vaccination. And the program administered over 100 million vaccinations in a 5 year period. So surveys showed that 90% of the population had been vaccinated. Smallpox rates fell as a result of these efforts. Ring vaccination key strategy of global eradication program. So great impact on smallpox transmission even in areas where overall vaccination coverage was low by using a strategy called surveillance and contaminant or ring vaccination. The principle behind this strategy was identified. So, identifications of smallpox, vaccinate their household and other close contact. Vaccinate the close contact of the primary household and close contact of the cases. If the primary contact developed smallpox, despite vaccination, their close contact would already be protected, and the chain of the transmission would have been broken. Special surveillance teams were recruited and trained to search for smallpox cases and vaccinate their contact. They visit each health unit in an area of endemic smallpox to ensure that each week the health officer submitted a report indicating the number of cases seen. When case were reported, the team worked with local health staff of find additional cases and to contain the outbreak by vaccinating and the contact. Although setback occurred, the surveillance and contaminant strategy provided to the strategy that finally brought about the eradication of smallpox throughout the world. To, smallpox sign and symptoms. So the symptoms of the smallpox being with high fever, head and body aches, and sometimes vomiting. A rash follow that spread the progress and to rise bumps and pus-filled blisters that crust, scab, and fall off after about 3 weeks, leaving is pipit scare. Smallpox incubation periods already defined. So a smallpox transmission is defined, and diagnosis. So physical exam, the sign and symptom of smallpox. This will include a skin and mouth exam to look the smallpox rash. If there is a moderate or high suspicion of smallpox, the doctor may order certain lab tests. That test may only be conducted by in especially protected laboratory known as biosafety level 4 lab, yani ki BSL lab. Okay, so lab test first PCR and resection fragment length polymorphism, that means RFLP analysis are used to identify the specific strains. ELISA and serologic tests measure the variola virus specific immunoglobulin and antigen to add in the diagnosis of the virus. Immunohistochemistry and electron microscopy. The origin of the virus may be traced by genome analysis and analysis of virus and microscopic examination. In order the recently diagnosed smallpox infection virus must be grow on chorioanalytic membrane, a vascular membrane found in word X, and then have the lesion examined. At the microscopic level, pox viruses from cytoplasmic inclusions and such as granulamic bodies in virus infected epidermal cells, and the virus appear a pink blobs when stained with isin and hematoxylin. Diagnosing smallpox versus other conditions. So before a smallpox diagnosis is made, your healthcare provider will consider other illness that can mimic the sign and symptoms of smallpox. Some of these illness included first chicken pox, second monkeypox, for herpes zoster, and for adverse reaction of medications, contact dermatitis, and erythema multiforme, had hand, foot, and mouth diseases. Okay. So variola virus, what is variola virus? So smallpox is caused by infection with variola virus, which belong to the genus Orthopox virus. The organism got its name from the Latin word varius, meaning spotted or virus meaning pimple. Variola virus infected only human in nature. Both envelope and unenveloped virons are infectious. Variola major cause smallpox and variola minor cause alistrin. Infection with either variola major and variola minor confer immunity against the other. So genome structure. Variola virus is a large brick-shaped virus with a measurement of 302 to 350 nm by 244 to 277 nanometer, which consists of linear double standard DNA. Its genome consists of 186 kVp and contain a hairpin loop and at each end. The hairpin loop at each end consists of 530 BP fragments. They have 187 closely spaced open reading form specifying pivoting major protein contain more than or equal or 265 amino acid, and the complete DNA sequence of two closely related variola virus genome was published in the early 1990 century. Cell structure and metabolism. Variola virus are DNA viruses with viron consists of a surface membrane, a core, and lateral body with a without an envelope. During their life cycle, variola produce extracellular and intracellular particle. The infection is caused by the extracellular particle. The capsid of virus is enveloped and virons mature naturally by budding through the membrane of the host cell. Variola life cycle. Pox viruses are unique among DNA virus in that they replicate in the cytoplasm of the cell rather than in the nucleus. In order to replicate, pox virus produce a variety of specialized protein not produced by other DNA virus. The most important of which is a viral associated DNA dependent RNA polymers. Okay, so virus particles land on the cell surface and are taken into the cell. The genetic information, that means DNA, of the virus is released into the cell and beings to make copies of itself. And these new DNAs are taken into the developing spherical viral particle, and the particle mature internally, and in so doing adopt more block like appearance, and most will remain in the cell as intracellular mature virus, that means IMV, and will be released when the cell bursts. However, some of the virus particle will obtain a second wrapping of host cell membrane, and his occurs at the trans Golgi. These double wrapped particles are called intracellular envelope virus, that means IEV. Some IEVs push through the cell plasma membrane and remain attached to the cell surface. These are called cell associated envelope virus, that means CEVS. Other that push through the membrane are released and are called extracellular envelope virus, that means EEV. Okay, so smallpox treatment. There is no proven treatment for smallpox, but research to evaluate new antiviral agent is ongoing. Laboratory studies suggest that the drug Cidofovir may fight against the smallpox virus. Patients with smallpox can benefit from supporting therapy such as wound care and infection control, fluid therapy, possible ventilator assistant, and antibiotics for any secondary bacterial infection that may occur. And vaccine या immune globulin यानी कि VIG can be offered to person exposed to smallpox as a prophylaxis. Vaccination within 3 days of exposure can aid in the treatment by preventing or significantly lessen the severity of smallpox symptoms in the majority of people. Smallpox prevention. So, prevention of smallpox rests on two pillars. Um, Vaccination first, and second, isolation of patient it they develop fever. Okay, so this session is completed, and any query in mentioned comments was. Thank you and namaste.